Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how the M1 app works and what it offers for those looking to manage their investments, spending, and borrowing all in one platform. M1 is an all-in-one financial platform that combines automated investing, digital banking, and borrowing options. When you sign up, you'll start by creating a customized investment portfolio called a pie. Each pie consists of different stocks, ETFs, or other assets that you choose based on your financial goals. The app automatically balances your portfolio according to the percentages you assign to each investment, helping you maintain your desired asset allocation. One standout feature is M1E's automated investing system. When you deposit funds, the app automatically distributes the money across your portfolio based on your set preferences. This hands-off approach can make investing simpler for users who prefer automated management. M1 also offers a checking account called M1 Spend. This account integrates directly with your investment portfolio, allowing you to move funds between accounts easily. M1 Spend comes with a debit card, and users can unlock cashback rewards and additional benefits with the M1 Plus membership. For those interested in borrowing, M1 provides a low-interest margin loan feature called M1 Borrow. This option allows you to borrow against your investment portfolio at competitive rates, available to users with at least $2,000 in invested assets. While M1E's features are useful, there are some considerations to keep in mind. M1 does not support real-time trading, as trades are executed in scheduled windows. This may not suit active traders seeking fast transactions. Additionally, M1E's platform may feel limiting for users who prefer hands-on control over individual trades. Overall, M1E's automated investing, integrated banking, and borrowing options make it a strong choice for long-term investors who want a streamlined financial experience. If you're looking for a platform that simplifies investing and financial management, M1 could be worth exploring. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.